Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to talk about how diabetes can affect your feet. If you suffer from diabetes, please comment yes below. So how can diabetes affect your feet? Diabetes can cause two problems for your feet. The first is diabetic neuropathy. Uncontrolled diabetes can damage your nerves. If you have damaged nerves in your legs and feet, you might not feel heat, cold, or pain there. This lack of feeling is called sensory diabetic neuropathy. If you don't feel a cut or sore on your foot because of neuropathy, the cut could get worse and become infected. The muscles of your foot may not work properly because nerves to the muscles are damaged. This could cause your foot to not align properly and create too much pressure on one part of your foot. The second is peripheral vascular disease. Diabetes also affects the flow of blood. Without good blood flow, it takes longer for a sore or cut to heal. Poor blood flow in the arms and legs is called peripheral vascular disease. If you have an infection that won't heal because of poor blood flow, you're at risk for developing ulcers or gangrene or the death of tissue due to lack of blood.
Well, here we see a particularly severe case of peripheral vascular disease. The dressing covers an injury which wouldn't heal due to ischemia. You can clearly see the black necrotic tissue on the toes.
People with diabetes are also more susceptible to these foot problems. Athlete's foot, fungal nail infections, calluses, corns, blisters, bunions, diabetic ulcers, hammer toe, ingrown nails, and plantar warts. Please click subscribe and click like. And hit that notification bell so you can see our upcoming video on diabetic foot care. We'll be giving tips for taking care of your diabetic feet. Hey folks, are you wondering how to boost your immune system to help protect yourself in cold and flu season? Well, maybe it's time for you to stock up on Meta 7. Meta 7 ingredients like B12 and B6 are the building blocks to a healthy immune system. In fact, according to health.com, vitamin B12 is a powerhouse. It helps make DNA, nerve and blood cells, and is crucial for a healthy brain and immune system. So if you're over 50, don't eat a balanced diet, or suffer from fatigue and could use a nice boost, then try Meta 7 today.
There's no doubt that it's a benefit to me. It gives me more stamina. If I miss a day, there's no doubt I lose energy earlier in the day, and I won't go without it in the future.
It has helped me so very much with working. It gives me a lot more energy throughout the day, and instead of being in the middle of the day, I can get through my whole day, and it's been working really well.
And I have a lot of energy. I'm not wired up or anything. It feels natural, and I recommend this product to everyone. So get your bottle of Meta 7 today.
Check out the Amazon links in the description below, and you can order today with Amazon Prime.